Hey, welcome to my new video. In this tutorial, we're going to make a basic iridescent material and improve it in a few different ways. So let's start with creating a monkey, subdivide it with Control and 3, then right-click and select Shade Smooth. Split the screen vertically and switch to Render View. Create a new material. Okay, let's make it metallic and set the roughness to 0. Now we have a fully metallic monkey. Add a color ramp node and a layer weight node. Connect the facing to factor and color to base color. Set the RGB to HSL and linear to far. Not much has changed, but if we set both colors to something like this, something starts to happen. We already got the iridescent effect, but we can improve it further. Let's add a hue saturation node. You can play with the settings as you wish. Every different setting will give you a different result. Have fun with it. You can increase or decrease the saturation, change color variations, or make it brighter or darker. But we didn't make the most important settings yet. Let's add some surface imperfections. Because as you know, surface imperfections makes everything more realistic. Because nothing is that perfect in the real world, we must add some flaws. Add any texture that you want. Set it to non-color and connect color to roughness. Create a mapping and texture coordinate node with Control-T and add a color ramp between the texture and the principled BSDF. Play with the color ramp to make it look better. The blacker it is, the more it reflects. It's already looking better. Let's add a bump node and connect the color to height. It's too harsh right now. We need to soften it with decreasing the strength value. Okay, now we have a good iridescent material. But don't make it a metallic. Let's try. Set metallic to 0 and increase the transmission. It's look like a jelly. Play with the roughness value to get a better jelly look. The good way of this material is it works on every model, and also it works perfectly on both Eevee and cycles. I mean, look at this. Isn't it look so good? Here is the full node setup, and also you can download this blend file. You can find the link in the description. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you guys liked the video, and lastly, don't forget to subscribe. See you.